Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make moi moi. This has to be the tastiest moi moi you will have ever come across. Let's dive into it. The first thing you have to do is to peel your beans. You peel your beans well, then you blend your beans. Blend that up till the smooth puree is formed. In this next stage, we want to bring out the flavor from our pepper sauce. So you have to saute your onions. You use some crayfish and saute that together. Add in some pepper mix. Guys, I'll be dropping my ratio of my pepper mix in the description box down below. You add in some smoked fish, whatever protein you have at home. I have smoked fish. You can use fresh fish. All you have to do is to boil the fresh fish. Into our smooth beans puree, we are going to be adding the seasoned sauce. And we are going to be loosening it up with some water. So I'm just going to be rinsing the bowl of my stew with water. You really do not want your moi moi mixture to be too thick. So I'm just going to whisk that up till everything is combined. I'm using nylon for this moi moi today. I'm trying to fit it in and I'm just going to pour my moi moi mixture into the nylon. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please give me your subscription. Your subscription means a lot to me, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I added in 1 egg and I'm just going to tie that up and steam it in water, then cover it up for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the temperature you're using, and allow that to cook up. And after like 25 minutes, moi moi was ready. This yumminess was so giving. So please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Of course you love the video. See you next week. Bye.